Hi everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to add a clickable link to your text in Canva. This is really useful when we want to direct viewers to a website, a social media page, or any online content. Let's get started on the Canva dashboard. To add a link to text, the first thing we need to do is add some text. We can do this by adding a text box. Let's use this as our example and turn it into a link. To add a link to this text, we simply click on the text box until we see these three dots. Then click on that. We will see the link option appear. Now click on this, and here we type in the link we want to use. For example, example.com. Then click Done. As we can see, it now shows as a link. We just need to click this to confirm. We can now see that the text is a hyperlink. It has been successfully converted. Once we select it, it will take us straight to that page. And that's how we add a clickable link to a text box in Canva. Simple and quick.